Good morning. How's it going, guys? So I am in my pajamas. I'm making breakfast, and I thought to film this to show you the best egg cup recipe that I make. It is keto friendly, super good, and really does the trick for satisfying those awesome, amazing hunger cravings in the morning. So I'm going to show you what I'm up to and show you how to make the very best egg cups. Here we go. Some muffin tins, right? And because this is what you're going to cook your egg cups in, obviously. So line those up in front of you so that you're 5. And so we go through eggs quite quick. And so what I did is I did a whole carton of eggs in here. And I did 1 large scoop of mayonnaise, about a half a cup. And this is a great way to get in extra fats, and it is also super tasty. That gives it a lot of great flavor. All right, so we're going to whisk this up and get it all blended in there. Pretty good, so we're just going to let that sit for just a minute. And now I pre-cooked some ground pork sausage yesterday. There she is, all in her glory, and it does have like some onions and stuff in it. And we're going to take a little scoop of this and put it in each one of those cups there. We're going to take some cheese and put them in each one of the cups. You don't want loads, but just enough for a little bit of cheesy amazingness. There we go, guys. So they are all filled in. The great thing about this recipe too is that you can use it. You can choose so many ingredients to your own liking. You can do ham, sausage. You don't even have to do meat at all. You can do just plain cheese or plain egg cups, and it's awesome. It works out super well. So, okay, now we are going to fill in all of these cups. All right, they are all set, and now we are going to move them to the oven. Make sure you put your oven, or set your oven to 375 degrees, and you're going to cook them for about 20 to 30 minutes. Look at that. Yum. Turned out so good. They puffed up really nice. Yum. Alright guys, so there you have it. Super easy, super simple, super keto. So, and even a great way to have a low carb option, because sometimes it's just nice to have something different, or a simple way to follow your meal plan and keep within your macros, all the things, right? So, and then another thing that I love about this recipe is that, like the pizza, the low carb pizza video I did, it's so interchangeable. You can put whatever ingredients you want, any types of meats, veggies, cheeses. You can even leave any of that stuff out and just do the egg and mayo. It's super simple and can tailor to anybody. So if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe, and we will see you in the next video. Thanks so much, guys. Take care.